Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Darren from 𝗱𝗍𝗢 Performance. This time something a little bit different for the channel, a Mk3 Focus RS from Zero2Hero. And by that we mean stock power right the way through to Revo stage 2. So yeah, the owner of this car is ironically Darren as well. He was recommended to us by a friend of mine. He was originally intending to go with another tuner. However, he decided to come down and see what we could offer. He was impressed by the Revo software, impressed by the package, and decided to go ahead with us. And within a few weeks, we'd got parts in and arranged for him to come down so that he could go from standard power right the way through to stage 2. To say he was impressed at the end was pretty much an understatement. Great guy.
I love the way you kiss me every night. I love the way you touch me, pull me right. But every day you keep on telling me that I should go, but I'd rather stay with you. I need to hold you, need to touch you right. I miss the way we were before. And everybody knows, and everybody knows you feel, and everybody sees. You keep on running away. And everybody knows, and everybody knows you feel the same way as I do for me. I'm feeling good with you here right beside me. I'm feeling fine when you hold me, I smile. I need to know and give me one more chance to take it slow, but I'd rather stay with you. I need to hold you, need to touch you right. I miss the way we were before. I need to hold you, need to touch you right. I miss the way we were before. And everybody knows, and everybody knows you feel, and everybody sees. You keep on running away. And everybody knows, and everybody knows you.
Oh, rip this off a bit, I'll tell this actually.
Soft fob, really.
Yeah.
They're the
You
best.
know why they're not soft? Because they've got meat in them.
Yeah.
That's soft.
And everybody knows, and everybody knows you feel, and everybody sees. You keep on hiding, running away. And everybody knows, and everybody knows you feel,
So yeah, as we've said before with the Mark II, it's almost impossible to video installing the 𝗕𝗃 valve or a dual port on a Mark II or Mark III Focus, so unfortunately we've had to leave it out. Hit the subscribe button, guys, if you haven't already. It'll really help us out and we do appreciate it.
No, I mean, if it was, what would you say no to and what would you have?
Oh, I don't know.
You just said it depends what it is. What would you not have?
No. I wouldn't have McDonald's.
McDonald's doesn't get included in Black Friday ever.
What are you having, Daz?
You know you want to hit that subscribe button, so I don't know what you're waiting for, and while you're there, click that bell icon as well. Thanks guys, it really helps us out.
Let all the air out in it.
What were you going to do with it?
Take the tyre off, so it can get plug in it.
Why did you say that?
I didn't do it.
You fucking cunt.
So here it is in all its glory, the Revo carbon intake system. Man, it looks good. I don't know what looks better than this, if I'm honest. It's absolutely on point, looks amazing on the car, and that's why I've done so many flipping montages of this particular kind of part that Revo supply. As with everything that you get from Revo, it's high quality. It comes in a mega box, just what you'd expect from such a great company. So that's pretty much it for the Mk3 Focus Zero2Hero video. We'd like to just say a big thanks to Revo for letting us do this, and to Darren for bringing his car to us. If you haven't already, then please consider subscribing, hit that bell icon to keep notified of new uploads, and inspire us to keep recording this content that you all seem to really enjoy, and we really enjoy making. Thanks guys, stay safe.
I don't know.